Hello children, welcome back to the online classes. Yesterday we started a new lesson, that is light in the night, and there we came to know how the lamp light originated. And let us go further and find out what all the changes came in lamp lights. Let me read the chapter for you. In the 1700s, London grew rapidly and became the world's center of trade, manufacturing and fashion. Business became important and lights were needed to keep the city working and entertaining into the night. By the late 1700s, London had so many street lamps and visitors to the city were amazed by them. The lamps were fueled by wax or oil that gave off an unpleasant smell and often dripped. Many people were employed as lamplighters because each lamp had to be lit by hand every evening. One German tourist visiting London in the 1700s wrote in his diary, "As it was quite dark when I came back in the evening, I was astonished at the admirable manner in which the streets are lighted up." So, the explanation is, in 1700, London grew rapidly meaning very fast, center of business. So there were lamps posted and all over the streets to make the city working and entertaining in the nights. So the visitors of the city were amazed by seeing this. These street lamps had to be fueled by wax or oil, and every evening it had to be lit by somebody. So many people got job as lamp lighters. One German tourist, when he had visited London in 1700s, wrote in his diary that as he came back in the evening, he was surprised to see in what manner the streets were lighted up. The lamplighters quickly became an important and valued part of society. This was because they often became a key figure in their communities. They would walk on the same route twice a day, and they checked, cleaned, fixed, lit or put out the lights. They would notice what was going on around them. So in this paragraph it says, the lamps were so close to each other that it looked as if some festival is going on. So you can imagine, children, how beautiful the street was. The lamplighters became very important people in the community. It was their work to see that every lamp was kept cleaned, fixed, lit and put out every day. Many lamplighters helped to make their route safer. Their job required energy, strength and agility and reliability. They had to keep the light clean, make sure the wicks were trimmed to the right length, light 10 of lamps in the evening and put them all out again in the morning. Many lamplighters were pleased to be guardians in their communities, and often the job would be passed on from parent to child. So here, they had to be energetic and active. who had to be energetic and active? The lamp lighters, because they had a lot of work to do. These lamp lighters used to feel proud for this work. Slowly, this work was passed from parent to child. I stop here, dear children. Your homework is read the chapter, find out the difficult meaning, and write it down in your copy. Thank you.